Yo! First order of the day, we are going to Angels. This is $7 and some change going 4 miles.
Oh, you got it already. All right. Oh, okay.
Hello.
Take care.
Me too. I got the next order lined up right after this. It's going to be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $28 going 10 miles, 2 items. Bro, is someone coming or?
Can you scan it?
Yeah.
Did you already look?
Briefly. The other guy told me it was on that wall, but I couldn't see it. Oh, it's this right here, actually. Thank you. And then just a scribble on that line for me.
All right. There you are.
Good enough for me. Even though that took forever at the store, all that really matters is that I completed within the hour, and I definitely did that with some time to spare. So we're on a good pace now. Finally got the next order. This is going to be for IHOP. This is $18 going 8.5 miles. Hello. Were both the meals in here?
Tell me one. Breakfast sampler, big steak omelet, or are you waiting for another one?
Oh yeah, no, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're both in there.
Gotcha. Thought I was gonna get 2 bags there. That's why I was asking. Hello. I'm looking for 122. Thank you. Next order up, we've got a stack. This is going to 2 different people, 2 different restaurants. I guess they're just close enough to stack them. This is $16 going 5 miles. I just realized I don't think I even said where I was heading. First pickup was obviously Starbucks. Next one is Voodoo Donut.
Sorry about that way.
You're all good. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Oh, of course it's upstairs. Finally got an order. This is for Starbucks. $8 going 1.5 miles. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. I got this next order right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $14 going 6 miles, 6 items.
Can I get a caramel latte?
Looks like all we're getting is coffee, so this should be pretty easy. Hopefully everything is in stock. 4 of these. They have exactly 4.
Please scan it now.
Is that okay?
It looks like this is going to a restaurant. I guess they ran out of coffee. This next order isn't amazing, but it is pretty slow right now, so I'm just taking it. Got a shop and deliver for alcohol, $10, going 6.5 miles, 3 items. Okay.
Interesting.
Oh.
Hello.
Someone's coming down.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Yep. And then just a scribble on that line for me. Okay, I think it's about that time. Current time is 11:14. Current total is 92. And I'm waiting on one Uber tip, so that should bring it up to like 97, maybe a little bit more. But anyways, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.